Welcome everyone to this lecture series called PILS, PhenoRob Interdisciplinary Lecture Series. The idea of this lecture series is to explain colleagues which are from a different field, students which are from a different field, which haven't studied your own subject, and explain them very basic concepts that are kind of building blocks that you're using in your research. So the goal of this series is not to train experts in your own field. The goal of this series is to educate your peers from a different discipline so that you can talk to each other, you can discuss research ideas, and at least have a glimpse what the other person is doing. And so the target is here, really teach for the others, for people which are not from your field. And it's a trial that we're doing here in order to improve the communication over different disciplines. And this is something that we have in our Cluster of Excellence PhenoRob. We have people from various different fields, from agricultural sciences, from geodesy, from economics, from computer science, from environment monitoring. So there's a large number of different disciplines involved. And this lecture series here tries to build bridges between those different islands. And all the talks that you see in this lecture series should be short, something like 30 minutes max, and should give you an idea, teach you basic building blocks, what you think is relevant in your own field. If you want to talk to someone else, what is the minimum that the other person should actually know? And in addition to those lectures over here, we have a live Q&A session after the lectures, and I hope that will be a success and will simplify the communication between the different interdisciplinary fields. With this, enjoy the PILS lecture series, and I hope to see a lot of interesting talks here within the next years coming up. Thank you very much.